Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A7 and BMW M5. We'll start by looking at their performance capabilities, then move on to interior luxury and technology. Next, we'll discuss practicality and everyday usability, before wrapping up with a look at their overall value propositions. Let's dive in and see which car might be the better fit for you. When it comes to performance, the BMW M5 is engineered for raw power, often featuring a V8 engine delivering over 600 horsepower. This translates to exhilarating acceleration and a more aggressive driving feel. The Audi A7, while still potent, focuses more on a balanced and comfortable ride, making it an excellent grand tourer. Both offer impressive handling, but with distinct personalities. Inside, both the Audi A7 and BMW M5 provide luxurious cabins with high-quality materials and excellent build quality. The M5 often presents a more driver-centric cockpit with physical controls, while the A7 leans into a modern, minimalist design with integrated dual touchscreens. Both cars are packed with cutting-edge technology, including advanced driver assistance systems and intuitive infotainment interfaces for a connected experience. For practicality, the Audi A7's Sportback design offers a significant advantage in cargo space, making it more versatile for daily life or road trips. The BMW M5, while a sedan, still offers decent trunk capacity. In terms of value, the M5 generally commands a higher price tag due to its performance focus. Both are premium vehicles, so consider your priorities for performance versus everyday usability and budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.